Hi, my name is Lori Goldstein. So the biggest challenges in promoting my books, and I think it's the same for a lot of books, is just the lack of visibility. There are so many books that are released every week, every year. It is hard to stand out among those books unless you get the full arsenal of marketing support from your publisher, which many of us don't get. So we do need to fill in and market our books ourselves as authors. What I found personally is something that you shouldn't spend a lot of time on is a lot on social media. Social media is great for connecting with existing fans. It's harder to gain new fans on social media. This isn't to say that you shouldn't have a social media presence. You absolutely should. But you shouldn't expect that you're going to garner a lot of sales through your social media. Readers will find you after they read your book and love it. Instead, what I think a writer should do to gain visibility for their book and to market their book is try to meet readers where they already are. So that means applying to festivals and going to places where a lot of readers are going to come and can find you as a new author. That's going to libraries or bookstores that have existing book clubs and speaking with them and see if you can connect with that audience. There are many places that also have writer workshops, and if you teach writing, that's also a good way to connect with your readers. So I would say to think about your book and think about places where readers already are in your community and try to meet readers where they already are.